Hi everyone. Today we'll discuss about the simple harmonic motions numerical problems. Okay. See here, question is given when a body is in simple harmonic. The time period is 0.001 second. Amplitude of vibration is given as 0.5 centimeters. The acceleration when it is displaces to a distance of 0.2 centimeter from the rest. Okay, so in case of this type of problems, first of all you know very well about the acceleration equation. What is the acceleration equation? Acceleration equation is equals to omega square y. So from the generating function, what is the generating function? For the generating function is a sin omega t plus y. First order differential equation, second order means you will get the a value. Okay, so in that case here a is equal to omega square y. Okay, so here this is equals to, what about omega? Omega means you know very well, omega is equal to, so t is equal to 2 pi by omega. So omega square means omega square is equals to 4 square pi square by t square. So this is 4 square 4 4 pi square by t square into y. What is the 4 value? 4 into 3.14 into whole square by, what is the time period is given? So time period is given as 0.001 whole square into y. What is the y value? It is given as 0.2. Okay, it is given as 0.2. So this is 3.14 whole square, and what about this? This is a 10 to the power of 3, 10 to the power of minus 3, that is 10 to the power of 6. 4 into 3 is 0.8, 0.8 into 3.14 whole square, 3.14 whole square. Okay, so that is equals to how much, Nana? So that is 0.8 into 3.14 into 3.14 into 10 to the power of 6, 10 to the power of 6. Therefore this is if you multiply the both, 3 means 9, 14 14s are 196. Okay, so 9 plus that is 196. 9 into again 8, that is 7.889 into 10 to the power of 6 meter per, here acceleration means second square, that is 7.889 into 10 to the power of 6 meter per second square. Okay, it is given in the examinations. Okay, next question is given like this: the particle is performing SHM, has a maximum velocity, that is 0.4 meter per second, and the maximum acceleration is 0.8 meter per second square. They calculate the amplitude and the period of oscillations. Okay, so in this one it is given as V max is given and A max is given. So velocity maximum value is given, V max velocity maximum value, it is given as 0.4 meter per second. A max acceleration maximum is given as how much? It is given as 0.8 meter per second square. Okay, so in this one here what you have to find, acceleration we have to find that. Okay, so you know the velocity equation for simple harmonic motion, that means V is equals to, V max is equal to how much? A omega. That means using generating function you will get that. So next to A max is equal to how much? This is A omega square, A omega square. Therefore I'll use this equation, I'll write equations like here A max by V max. A ante acceleration maximum by velocity maximum, that is a omega square. See here, a omega square by a omega. So this one, so total get cancelled. This is equals to how much? That is equal to omega. Omega means what? A max by a max by v max is equals to how much? Omega. Omega is equal to how much? 2 pi by t. 2 pi by t. That is the equation for the value of time period. Okay, so using this you can find the time period of that. Okay, so here you can get it, that means it is the t value you have to find. So t is equal to how much, Nana? 2 pi into, so this is 2 pi multiply by this 2 pi into v max by a max. Okay, that is equals to how much? This is a 2 into 3.14 into this is 0.4 by 0.8, 0.4 by 0.8. Okay, so using the final equation, the time period you will get that means both get multiply how many times? It is 2 get cancel, both are get cancel. That means time period is equal to 3.14. That is in case of pi only you will get. Okay, now you have to find the value of omega. So omega is equal to how much, Nana? Omega is equals to that means v max by a max here. Okay, omega is equal to how much? V max by a max. That means omega is equal to a max by v max. That is equal to how much? This is 0.8 by 0.4. That is equal to how much? This is 2 times. Means you will get 2 times. 2 times you will get. Okay, next one, I have to find the value of acceleration. What is it called acceleration? V max is equal to how much, Nana? V max is equal to how much? A into omega. A how much you got? A how much you got? You got in the previous, we don't have this value, but omega I got 2. V max is given already. So therefore A is equals to how much, Nana? That is 0.4 by 2. 0.4 by 2. That is equal to 0.2. So this is the answer. So A is equal to 0.2. Okay, this is about the question for particle is performing SHM. Okay, see, another question is given like this. Here a particle under the SHM has displaced at 0.4 meters at the velocity of 0.3 meters. A displacement of 3 meters, the velocity is 0.4 meters. Calculate the amplitude and frequency of the oscillation. Okay, so two different are the, first for 0.4 means 3 meter per second, 4 means 3 means 4 meters, like that it is given. Okay, so now we'll do this problem. Okay, what about the velocity equation for the generating function? For the generating function, velocity is equal to omega into root over a square minus x square or y square. A square minus x square or y square. Okay, using this equation you can substitute the value for 2 different is given. So for 4 that is 3 it is 4. So for displacement is given for 3 and 4. Okay, so therefore I am substituting for 3 is equal to omega into root over a square minus here y means displacement is given as 0.4 for 3. Ma, note it down, Nana, note it down. Okay, next one for what about that? That means 0.4 means 0.16. okay, this is 0.3 means omega into root over a square minus 0.16 for this. Okay, next for another velocity is given. What is that? That is about the 3 meters. Okay, so next one 4. For 4 it is given 0.4, it is equal to omega into root over a square minus omega square. What is the omega square? It is given as 0.3 whole square. 0.3 means how much, Rana? 0.09. 0.09. Therefore, that is equal to omega into root over a square minus the 0.09. Okay, so two equations you got. From these two equations, divide with one another, you will get the so this is one equation and this is the second equation. If you multiply the divide with the one another, so that is 0.3 by 0.4. 0.3 by 0.4. That means here omega root over, what about this, a square minus 0.16 by omega root over a square minus this is 0.09. 0.09. So this is both, you can cancel this. So directly I am cancelling because 0.1 on 0.1 means, so it is 10 to the power of minus 1, 10 to the power of minus 1, both get cancelled, and omega also get cancelled. Okay, omega also get cancelled. So using this equation, what you will get, Nana? So squaring on both sides, that means 9 by 16. Squaring on both sides mean 9 by 16 is equal to a square by 0.16 divided by a square minus 0.09. 0.09. So it is in the form of you can write the equation. Okay, so here cross multiply the both equations. So you can cross multiply the both equation. What you will get, Nana? So if you cross multiply means 16a square minus 16 into 16. 16s are how much? 256. So 256, but that is into 10 to the power of minus 2. 256 into 10 to the power of minus 2 means that is 2.56. That is equals to, what about this 9a square? 9 into 9 how much? 81. But that is also 10 power minus 2. So that is 0.81. 0.81. Okay. So using this equation, therefore finally if you observe this, this is 16 minus 9, that is 7a square. So 256 minus 81. 256 minus 81, that is 175. So 175. Okay, so in case of a, what about a value? 7a square is this one. So I need the value of a. So 175 divided by 7. 175 divided by 7 means you will get a square is equal to 175 by 7. That is equals to, you will get 0.25. So 25. So 25 times it will get cancelled. Therefore a is equal to 0 plus or minus, a is equals to plus or minus 0.25. Here I got a value of, sorry, this is the 0.5 meters per second. Okay, here I got the amplitude value. Here I got the amplitude value. So using that I want to find the frequency equation. So what is the frequency equation? Frequency is equal to 1 by 2 pi, you have to write. So using this equation, I am 0.4, that is equal to omega into root over what about a square? 0.25 minus 0.09. 0.09. Okay, so in that case you will get omega is equal to 1 rad per second, radian per second, 1 radian per second. Therefore 2 pi n is equals to 1. Therefore n is equal to 1 by 2 pi heads. 1 by 2 pi heads. Thank you. If you like my video, you can like my video, you can share it and tell to your friends, share it. ఇప్పటి వరకు నా వీడియో చూసినందుకు మీ అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలండి. అదేవిధంగా నా వీడియోని లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, అదే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో కూడా షేర్ చేసుకోండి.